Some of our signature or best-selling dishes are the Shan meatballs, which is a Lana Hill Tribe style meatball stuffed with tomato, loads of chilies, and then slightly softened rice noodles to give it a bit of texture. And we wrap them in cool fat and glaze them with cola. So with all of our dishes, there's a little hint of fun and kind of interest in the background. And then we have our sort of mutton fries that we've become very famous for. So that's a Burmese mutton curry on top of some of the crispiest chips you'll ever have, really.